How to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. Are your YouTube videos suddenly turning dark on your Android phone? Don't worry, you're not alone, and the fix is really simple. Let's jump straight into it. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. At the bottom right corner, tap on You. Now tap the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. From here, tap on General. It's the first option you'll see. Next, select Appearance. If dark mode is enabled, switch it to Light Theme and wait a few seconds. After that, tap Appearance again. If it automatically switches back to dark mode, don't worry. Just tap Dark Theme, then switch back to Light Theme once more. This refresh usually fixes the issue. If the problem is still there, here's one more quick step that works for many users. Go back to your phone's home screen and press and hold the YouTube app icon. Tap on App Info, then go to Storage and Cache. Now simply tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or videos. Once you're done, open YouTube again, and your video brightness should be back to normal. And that's it. This is how you can fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes. Have a question or a topic you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.